How to post rectangular reels on Instagram. Hey everyone! In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to post those unique rectangular Instagram reels with a 5120x1080 aspect ratio. So if you've ever wondered how people make them, follow along step by step, and you'll be able to do it too. All right, let's dive in. First, record the video clip you want to post in that specific aspect ratio. Once you've got it, open the Google Photos app on your phone. Find the video you want to post and open it. Then tap Edit at the bottom and choose Crop. Now, adjust the crop borders to focus on the part of the video you want to share. Keep dragging the top and bottom borders until they reach the right position. Once everything looks good, tap Save a Copy and wait for your video to save. Next, open your Instagram app. Tap the ++ icon and go to Reels. Select the video you just saved, then tap Next. You can add a caption if you want, and finally, tap Share to post your reel. And that's it. Your rectangular reel is now live. Instagram doesn't officially have a special Upload in this aspect ratio button yet, but this is the easiest way to do it. If you found this helpful, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more Instagram tips and updates.